Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You can find books.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. You can find a list of the chapters. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. Like, just 1 minute. Let me just restart everything so that you can hear me. Hello. So we're going to start with chapter mixed of ratios. We're going to start with the lesson addition and subtraction sentences true or false. So let's just start with the lesson. Now you can hear me clearly. Okay, let's just start with an example. Which sentence is true? So basically, you're given two of the examples. The first one is 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 4 take away 2 is 2, right? So you need to select the one that is true. That is true. You are given 1 plus 1 equals 3. That is not 2. When you add 1 and 1, that makes 2, not 3. So 4 take away 2 is 2. That is true. When you subtract 2 from 4, the answer is 2. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which sentence is true? 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 minus 3 equals 3. So, true, the one that is correct is true, right? Start with the first one, just add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 makes 4. So, both sides are exactly equal. So, that is the one that is true. Look at the second one. 4 take away 3 is 1, and 1 is not equal to 3. So, that is false. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 plus 3 equals 4. That is the correct one. Which sentence is true? 4 take away 4 is 0, and 1 plus 2 equals 5. So, which is the correct option? Mhm. So, option number 1 is the correct option. 4 take away 4 is 0 is the correct one. Option number 1 is the correct option because 1 plus 2 not makes 5, right? So, option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 4 take away 4 equals 3. So, which is the correct option? So, the correct option is option number 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3 is the correct option. Very good. Because 4 take away 4 does not make 3, right? So, option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? That is 4 take away 4 equals 4, and 2 take away 2 equals 0. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2. That is 2 take away 2 equals 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 4 minus 3 equals 1, and 2 plus 1 equals 2. That is 4 minus 3 equal 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 4 plus 1 equals 4. Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. 1 plus 2 equals 3 is the correct one. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is 10 more or less. Which number is 10 more than 40? Whenever you need to understand the words, actually, the word more means you have to add, right? 10 more than 40 means you need to add 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. Got it? So 10 more than 40 is 50. Or less means you need to subtract. Let's just start with the test questions. What number is 10 less than 84? So you have 10 less than 84. That means you need to subtract 10 from 84. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So that makes 74. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. What number is 10 more than 54? Ten more than 54 means you need to add 10 to 54. So 54 plus 10 equals 64. It is option number 2 is the correct option. What number is 10 more than 40? 10 more than 40 equals 50. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is 10 less than 78? 78 minus 10 is 68. Option number 3 is the correct option. What number is 10 more than 63, which is the correct option? Then less than 63 means 53 it is. Option number 4 is the correct option. And less than 53 means 25 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself for today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract tens. Add 50 plus 20. You need to add from the, always start adding from the one digit. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then you have to add 5 plus 2. Five plus 2 makes 7. So that is 70. 50 plus 20 makes 70. Let's just start with the test question. Very good. Add 70 plus 0. So which is the correct option? And whatever number you are adding to 0, the number stays the same. So 70 plus 0 is 70. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ninety take away 30. So 0 take away 0 is 0. And then 9 take away 3 is 6. So 90 take away 30 is 60. Option number 2 is the correct option. 90 take away 30 equals 60. Subtract 90 take away 10. So which is the correct option? Ninety take away 10 equals 80. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Forty plus 10. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. Option number 3 is the correct option. 10 take away 0, which is the correct option. And take away 0 is 10. Adding or subtracting 0 means the number stays the same. So 0 it is. 50 plus 40. That is 90. 10 plus 60. Very good. 70 it is. Very good. 70 it is. Okay. 60 plus 20 equals. Very good. 80 it is. Option number one is the correct option. 80 take away 70, which is the correct option. Very good. 80 take away 70 is 10. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is add addition and subtraction terms. In this problem, what is 58? Thirty-six plus 22. 36 and 22 are adding. The sum is 58. So 58 is the term. Basically, you need to understand the terms here. 58 is the sum of 36 and 22. In this problem, what is 60? 48 and 12 are adding, they make 60. So that means 60 is the sum of 48 and 12. Summatives, option number one is the correct option. In this problem, what is 40? 33 plus 7 equals 40. Mm. 40 is the sum of 33 and 7. In this problem, what is 33? 53 take away 20 is 33. So when you subtract two numbers, the answer is the difference of the two numbers. So that is the difference. 26 is the difference of 61 and 32. 35, the correct option is difference. In this problem, what is 63, which is the correct option? 52 is the difference of 73 and 21. In this problem, what is 58? Fifty-eight is a sum of 36 and 22. In this problem, what is 23? That is the difference. 23 is the difference of 13 and 7. In this problem, what is 42? Forty-two is the sum of 29 and 13. In this problem, what is 48? Forty-eight is the sum of 42 and 6. Sum it is. In this problem, what is 7? That is difference. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction, sometimes is true or false, 10 more or less, add and subtract terms, addition and subtraction terms. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can complete, or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.